Why the THANOS-SE rig is a filmmaker's cheat code. Smooth AF and zero arm burn. You ever get halfway through a shoot and feel like your arms are going to straight up mutiny? Your camera's heavy, your gimbal's slipping, and your footage looks like it was shot on a trampoline. The ideas are there, the vision's crisp, but your body? It's clocked out. You're frustrated, over it, and stuck wrestling with gear that was supposed to help you, but is just killing your flow instead. Every shot starts with passion, and ends with you praying for a chiropractor. You need backup, the kind that wears a vest. Now magnify that pain. You're running out of daylight, the client's watching, and you still haven't nailed that buttery tracking shot. Your hands shake, your footage jitters, and your gimbal might as well be a gym workout. Deadlines creep closer. Creativity feels like a luxury. You're not just shooting video, you're surviving it. And for those of us filming in tight spaces, contorting for weird angles, or carrying 15 pounds of rig? Yeah, burnout isn't just a risk, it's baked into the job description. But what if you didn't have to suffer for your shots? Meet your new ride or die, the DF Digital Photo THANOS-SE Gimbal Vest Rig System. This beast is built for videographers who demand pro-level performance without breaking their back. It supports nearly every major gimbal, from DJI RS4 and RS3 Pro, to Zhiyun Crane, handling 4.4 to 17.6 pounds of gear like a champ. The aluminum alloy arm and tension-adjustable springs kill vertical bounce dead, while the two-axis tilt opens up new dimensions of shot control. And it's not just about power, it's about comfort. The breathable vest spreads the weight so evenly, you'll forget you're wearing it. Kinda like cinematic armor. Say goodbye to jittery footage, cramped forearms, and missed takes. This rig means longer shoots, smoother footage, and way fewer regrets. It's compact enough to maneuver in tight spaces but rugged enough for heavy-duty action. From indie films to YouTube bangers, you'll get cinematic movement without the mess. Comes with a carry bag, quick snap chest fasteners, and enough adjustment options to fit nearly every body type. It's a literal extension of your creative intent. Ready to get serious about smooth? Dive deeper into the THANOS-SE ecosystem, because it's not just a tool, it's a mindset shift. Don't let another shot go to waste, grab the DF THANOS-SE now before your footage, and your back, takes another hit. This isn't some random Amazon gadget, it's trusted by thousands of creators worldwide who finally found their flow. Inventory doesn't sit long, and when it's gone, you'll be stuck watching someone else snag your dream rig. So yeah, this is your moment. Don't wait. Don't wobble. Suit up, shoot smarter, and own your story. Smooth is calling. Will you answer?